guys, welcome back. So today's video is brought to you in part by Charlie Smoke and Vape. I will have links to their Facebook and everything else in the description below. And I haven't had a chance to even open it or even look at it or anything like that. So it's pretty much just, I'm gonna open it while I'm filming it. I'm pretty much doing like an unboxing, and then I'm gonna juice it up, rip it, and see how it goes. And I'm gonna compare the two, the Smock RPM40 to the Smock RPM2. This is basically the upgrade version of this one. Again, huge shout out to Charlie Smoke and Vape because this is kind of sponsored by them. And so I'll leave a link to everything in the description below. They are still doing their Halloween raffles.
All right, so the audio during this got a little screwed up, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for you guys. The RPM2 is absolutely just it impressed me. Like the design on the back was absolutely nice. It is slightly bigger than the RPM40, so that is something I'm just, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. It's got a bigger tank. It's got a 7 milliliter tank versus the 4.3. I do have to point out the way you've put the juice into these tanks is so much easier than the RPM40 systems. It was just putting the juice into the new one, into the RPM2, was just absolutely easier than the RPM40. It was just it was like night and day.
The airflow on this one is, it's just super airy. It feels like it's just got that draw. Whereas this one, the RPM40, the one that the precursor to this one, or the predecessor, I guess, doesn't have that like rip airflow like this one does. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna do the nice little satisfying peel off. Oh, that's so satisfying. Does it have it on the back? Oh, it does. It does. It does. Yeah, it does. Like, this is the most satisfying part right here. Just, yeah, that's satisfying. I threw my RPM40 across my room. I was like, nope, done with that. Never using that ever again. Never again. Grab my RPM40 back because do a little side by side. So size wise, profile wise, obviously the RPM2 is slightly bigger than the old RPM, the RPM40. So this one is the RPM40. This one is a 1500 milliamp battery, variable wattage. This one can use the Nord or the RPM coils. I don't know if this one can use anything other than its own coils. But I mean, I'm not complaining. Let's see here. What I'd like to know is why the box is so much bigger. This one uses a Type-C. So it even came with the cable, but it's a Type-C charger. My phone uses Type-C, so I don't have to carry two cables in my car anymore now. I can just use the one Type-C charger. But so I'm going to do a re-review on this one after about a week of using it. But so far, I'm really liking it. Yeah, that's insane. Just better cloud production on this one. Absolutely, hands down. Better cloud production. Just better airflow. So, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Just on out of the box, everything like that, 9 out of 10. A solid 9 out of 10. Again, huge thank you to Charlie Smoke and Vape for providing the RPM2. Go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description and everything. But yeah, that is a solid mod. I'm thoroughly impressed. So yeah, RPM2, I definitely out of the box would definitely recommend so far. I'm gonna use this thing for about a week, and I'll do a follow up video on it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to do more of these like vape reviews because I do vape a lot, and I really love pod mods because of the small they're just small profile. So I want to do more of these. Um, I might do the Nord eventually. I think there's a new Nord V2 out, so I might do that one eventually. But I'm gonna do this one for a little while. I'm gonna use this one for about a week, and then I'm gonna do a follow up video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Crintel TV.